Guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video, we are going to be talking about brightening body care products, right? We know that Christmas is around the corner, although I am a very firm believer that if you actually want a brightened up body, if you want a bright skin, you should have started your skincare journey a long time before now. Yes, but I can understand that some persons might just not have started. So let's say I'm going to be curating a brightening body care routine, not necessarily a routine, all right, because I like balancing out my skincare routine with hydrating products, but I don't have anything hydrating here. Everything here is going to be all brightening products. So anyone you want to buy, try to get brightening skincare products just to create a balance. Now we are going to be starting right from your cleanser to your body oils. When we say brightening, I've explained this before on this channel. Brightening does not mean that you want to get a 2 times or 3 times shade lighter than your normal complexion. That is not brightening. In case you want to change your skin tone before Christmas, this video is not for you, please. Okay? But if you want a healthy, glowing looking skin, then don't scroll. Number one in my list of body washes is going to be the Dr. Teal's Vitamin C Body Wash. All right? Vitamin C, of course, it is a brightening ingredient. If you have watched my brightening body lotions, I have a video on that. After this video, you can go check that out. You can see the ingredients I listed out, the brightening ingredients. We have things like pomegranate, we have things like vitamin C, we have ferulic acid, we have niacinamide, licorice extract, mulberry, citric acid. All these things are examples of brightening agents, brightening skincare ingredients. Okay, so in case you do not see the brands I have here with me, don't be bothered. All right, any product you see any of these ingredients as their major ingredients, as their star ingredients, that product is a brightening product. All right, now aside the Dr. Teal's Vitamin C body wash, you can also get the Nivea aloe vera body wash. Aloe vera is a humectant, right? Yes, but it also contains some brightening properties. So aloe vera is also considered a brightening ingredient, right? I will leave the link in the description box so that you can go check out the review. Now, it is also a good option for you. You can also get the other variant that contains blueberry. Another brand of body wash you can also get is the palm olive. We also have the E45 body wash. All these body washes are not expensive. They are so much budget friendly. You can get them, trust me. Okay, start your skincare journey now. Don't wait until 10th December before you start. By then, you'll be forced to bleach. So start now, even though you should have started before now, but you can still start. Now, after your cleansing, next is going to be a body scrub. Now, of course, you don't scrub every day, right? You are not supposed to scrub every day. Personally, I scrub maximum 2 times in a week, just at night. I don't scrub in the mornings. The choice of body scrub is the Dr. Teal's Sugar Scrub. You can use this scrub. Aside the Dr. Teal's, you can also use the Cool Spa Salt Scrub, even though if you have a dry skin, I'm going to heavily disagree you using it. Don't use a salt scrub if you have a dry skin type. And to an extent, even if you don't have a dry skin type, for the fact that this is Harmattan, the weather is already dry. Your skin is already forced to be dry because of the environment. I don't really see the essence of you still using a salt scrub because salt actually dehydrates the skin. It just has a way of making your skin lose moisture. If I were you, I'm going to go for sugar scrubs or body polishes. Body polishes are even way better if you ask me. Aside this, the Vit Gold has a vitamin C scrub. It is a brightening ingredient. Now, this Vit Gold, the major ingredient in this scrub is vitamin C. All right, vitamin C, of course, is a brightening ingredient. So it's going to help brighten your skin. But as I said earlier, do not scrub every day. After this body scrub, you can use the Purec Egyptian tomato spa scrub, which majorly contains apricot, it contains tomato and some other brightening ingredients. I have reviewed it. I have also reviewed the cool spa salt scrub. The links of course are going to be in the description box in case you want to see the reviews and know if you want to buy them or not. After scrubbing, you are going to come out and the next thing is going to be you applying your lotions or your brightening body creams, anyone you are using. Coming to your brightening body lotions, I have a video on brightening body lotions. You might want to go watch them after this video. You can choose from the Nivea Radiant and Beauty. I have used it and I have reviewed it. You can also use the Johnson's that majorly contains pomegranate flower. I have used 3 bottles of this and I have reviewed it. You can also use the Face Facts Vitamin C body lotion. Even though I don't really consider it a lotion, that thing should be a cream. You can also use it and that is what I am currently using. Okay, they are all good brightening body lotions and they are affordable. Coming over to your body oils, although this is not a must, I don't consider it a must, but I know that we are currently in the Harmattan and the weather is already dry. The weather is already dry, right? So you are going to be needing a body oil, trust me. Although some of these body lotions might contain oils, but the oils might not really be enough for this kind of weather. So you are going to be getting body oils. It must not be a brightening body oil. Okay, now the whole essence of oils is just to lock in moisture. There are body oils that are not brightening, they just do the basics, which is locking in moisture into the skin. Now, if you just want a plain, simple body oil, let's assume that from your cleanser down to your body lotion, they are all already brightening, right? I'm not going to advise you to still use a brightening body oil. That is my personal opinion. I'm going to advise you to just use just an oil that is not brightening, does not really contain any brightening ingredients. You can use this baby oil, something like the PS baby oil. You can use the Cousins baby oil, even the Johnson's. Don't worry, it will not get you dark. That is what I'm using. It will not get you dark. Your body is not going to get darker than your face or anything. No. Just be sure that you have your brightening ingredients in your cleanser, your scrub, or your body lotions. And then also try to wear protective clothing because the sun at this point is always extremely hot. We know this already. The sun, the weather is already hot and dry. So try as much as possible to wear protective clothing and still wear your sunscreens in the exposed parts of your body. Example, just as my chest is showing a little, you can just apply a reasonable amount of sunscreen on that area and then reapply when you remember, because I know that we don't really remember to reapply every 2 to 3 hours, right? But try, just try. I'm trying as well. Okay, also get the Dr. Teal's body oil that contains aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is a humectant, but it also contains some brightening ingredients, right? You can pair this with any of your brightening body skincare products. Then we also have the Diesel Vitamin C body oil. This is also a good option, a good buy, still cheap and is still effective. Now, aside this, you can decide to go for the Vit Gold body oil. I think they have different variants. Some contain turmeric, some contain vitamin C. Yes, so just look for any of their brightening body oils and get. Now remember, these are not the only brands you can get your brightening body care products from. Okay, I have listed the ingredients before. Any body care products you see with these ingredients as their star ingredients, they are all brightening body care products. All right, so see you glowing on 25th. Bye.